finally got this door fixed. Oh, how did I fix this? Ah. Hey, cowpokes. And I'm not talking hey like hello. I'm talking hay like this. It's haying season out here on the County Line Ranch. During the summer when all the grass grows, we cut it and bale it up so we have plenty of hay to feed the cattle during the winter. Farmer Mark and Gramps have been busy cutting and baling hay, so we're gonna get a closer look at how it all works today. And of course, I'm sure they're gonna want my help, so let's go see what's going on. We're gonna head out to the hayfield right now, cowpokes.
Swathing is like a big lawnmower. We cut the grass and we put it into a windrow for it to either dry out to bale, or sometimes we rake it together to make one big windrow.
Well, here comes Farmer Mark and he's raking. He's raking these two rows together to make one big row like this one right here, where the hay can flip up, dry out really nice, and stay really good for the winter. Hi, cowpokes. Hey, today we're out here in the hay field and we're baling hay. And I really like that baler because it makes a nice, round, tight bale that keeps in the winter. We can feed our cattle when the grass is all dried up and dead in the winter. Because when I was a kid, we used to do all the bales like this small square bale. And we'd have to pick them up and put them on a trailer and stack them in a shed before it would rain. And that's how we built our muscles instead of going to weightlifting when I was young. So Gramps told you earlier about having to handle square bales by hand, and even though we don't bale many of these anymore, we still always want to bale some square bales of straw for bedding to keep a calf warm when it gets super cold, or maybe for decorations in the fall. So Mark and I are almost finished loading up the truck with these hay bales, and we're so hot and tired. It's such a hard job, and it seems like no matter what, when we're using square bales, we always run into a snake. And just like Lish's life lesson previously, I'm gonna admit, I am a little afraid of snakes. Not too bad, but I am a little worried about snakes. So I'm gonna help Farmer Mark finish up loading the truck with the square bale. Oh, these bales, Slick Nick's so tough. Oh!
Hey, Slick Nick, if you're struggling with that bale, this one looks a little lighter. Why don't you work on it? I'll throw this one off.
See, this one's really heavy.
Okay, all right, I'll see if I can get it.
Ah! Mommy! I want my mommy! Snake! Stay away from me.
Ooh, nice. I'll go ahead and get the bale now.
Oh, Farmer Mark, did you see that snake right there?
I saw it. I think by the looks of it, you saw it too.
Oh!
Hi, Cowpokes. I thought today might be a great day to talk about being embarrassed because I'm sure poor Slick Nick felt a little bit embarrassed about wetting his pants earlier. So we've all felt embarrassed at times. Maybe you dropped your lunch tray at the cafeteria, or maybe you just tripped and fell, and that felt pretty embarrassing. So we've all had those awkward times, just like Slick Nick had. And it's not fun to feel like everyone's kind of laughing at you. But just remember, maybe the best thing that we can do at times is really just laugh at ourselves when that happens.
Yeah, I know what you mean, Lish. I just figured out what we could do so no one will even notice that I wet my pants. Hey boys, why don't you come fire away?
What do snakes study in school?
Tell us, Uncle Sammy, please, please, please.
History.
It's time for another County Line Cowpokes competition. And today we're doing some hay bale hurdles. So we've got our bandanas, we've got the blue team versus the red team. We've got 4 hay bale hurdles set up. So each team member will come all the way down and go all the way back and tag the next team member's hand. And we'll see which team gets done first. And what do they win, Heidi? Cowpokes trophy. On your mark, get set, go! On the County Line Ranch. Here comes Slick Nick and his tractor. We'll see you next time.
Hey Cowpokes, thanks again for joining us today on the County Line Ranch. Don't forget, we really need you to give a quick click for Slick Nick on that subscribe button to our channel. Be sure to share us on all your social media pages, and we'd love it if you could leave us a comment about your favorite things in our videos or what you might want to see next. Be sure to join us next time to see what we have to get done here at the County Line Ranch. My truck. Hey! Farmer Mark! He's not supposed to be driving my tractor!